should pick the sound. For sure this one, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's me. Again.
It's you again.
My grand entrance.
She's a familiar one on this channel now.
Yes. A regular.
What are we doing today?
We are doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So we were just talking and we spend like anywhere between 20 and 45 minutes normally doing makeup. So this will be a challenge.
So we're gonna do like a glam going out look. So
See what we can do in 5 minutes.
See what we can do. Also, Emma has a blog.
This is a collab.
This is a collab with me and Emma's blog.
My blog is just my name. It's emmastrigar.com. You could put it on the screen.
Which way does it go? emmastrigar.com.
Yeah.
So I'll link it down below.
You could like
Promo.
look it up. Should we do some makeup?
Yeah, let's get started. All right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Should we set the timer?
3, 2, my phone went black. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god.
Freaks out right away.
I just feel like everything I do is gonna like take way longer than it should.
Well, I want you to know that I am currently saving up money to invest in a new concealer that isn't 11 shades too light for me.
Hey, can I use your concealer?
Oh my god, do you actually need to?
Yeah.
There you go. Using the biggest freaking beauty blender there is.
Okay, everyone makes fun of this and it like works. I don't get why everyone thinks it's like comical.
Comical. Here I am, looking pale as hell. If we just add some of this dark powder, wow, these techniques I'm using.
I wish we had like how long has it been? Like where should I be right now, you know?
I don't even know.
Okay. So we're just gonna like see. I'm like,
Okay, we have 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
okay. Who made a comment?
Somebody made a comment on my discussion post.
Oh, I wonder what they said.
Probably mean.
I got roasted today in class.
Really?
Yeah, for my video. We all had to like write on pieces of paper about like what we thought of people's projects, and someone wrote on mine, this just didn't really work for me.
Just pack it. Oh my god. Pack a shit ton of highlight on this, just, you know, make it glow everywhere.
Yeah. This could be going worse, I guess.
Yeah, but like also we have
Hold on. Oh my god.
2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Oh
I haven't even started the eyes.
I haven't even put bronzer on. Oh my god.
Alright, now going in with some shit, I'm gonna put on my eyes.
Language.
Now going in with some smack, I'm gonna put on my eyes.
Thank you. Okay.
My dad was watching this, he'd be like, language.
Did Dad watch these?
Yeah. Hi, Dad! Alright, what are we at? What are we at?
Yeah, I haven't put mascara on.
120.
Oh my god.
Oh no! I touched my face!
What'd you do?
I hit my face with the mascara. It's okay. In times like this, you just need to rub it and then drop your mirror and then go to this one.
I feel like the timer is gonna go off here any second. Oh man. That was like the shortest 5 minutes of my life.
Here we are.
Could be worse. It really
Okay,
could.
but like, if I didn't do this last minute on my face, I feel like it would have been like fine.
Your eyeshadow looks really good.
Let's zoom in on you. Come on. Get in there. Wow. So here we have Emma rocking this little face do. You know what I mean? Overall, it's a pretty nice job.
It could be worse. I feel comfortable leaving the house right now.
I messed up right here on my mascara like last second. But other than that, it looks fine. I think we did an okay job.
Yeah, good.
Mally, how do I look?
So pretty, sweetie.
Thanks,
Yeah, how do I
Mally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn
Yeah.
around and let me do it again.
No.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Come on, do it again. Oh my god, you look so incredible, sweetie. I'm sorry.
That's better
I'll
than
do it again.
This could have been worse. It really could have been.
It could have been a lot worse. I'm pleased with the way that this went. We'll be back.
We will be back with a video on how to make everything microwaved.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna start a series called Cooking in a Sorority that we're gonna do all through spring term. And every week Let's make that goal.
Okay.
Every week we will come up with a new microwavable dish.
Madeline and Emma's microwave cooking. Put that on the screen.
Thanks for joining me.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.